Welcome to the EZist app. This module looks at how to join a community as a service provider. Other tutorials are available for joining as an owner or tenant. From the main screen, open the Welcome to EZist topic, and read the welcome message. Then tap on the Join button near the top of the screen. Select a community from the drop-down list. Choose Service Provider, then Legal Persona, and Submit. Select the services you provide and the type of business, followed by your business and personal details. Your email, phone number, and ID number will be populated if you provided them during registration. Once you submit your information, you will receive an email with a one-time password. Copy and paste it into the EZist app. This is the last chance to check that your personal information is correct, and update it if required. Tap Confirm to submit the OTP. With your consent, the personal information provided will be shared with the community. An agent or scheme executive may contact you for additional information, before granting you access to their community. Once you have been approved, go back to the main screen. Here you will see job requests that are sent to you, and you can respond from within the app. Please take a moment to watch our other videos to learn about the services offered. EZist, for community living made easy.